today analytic functions is going on. Find the image of the infinite strip 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2 under the transformation omega is equal to 1 by z. Actually 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2 is strip, not plural, only one strip. See solution. This is x axis, this is y axis, origin 1 by 4 is a positive y, 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So, I can take like this. So, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4 is a parallel to x axis, a line parallel to x axis. Again y is equal to 1 by 2 is another line parallel to x axis, again y is equal to 1 by 2. So, y is lying in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. For all the values of y lies in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, we will get a strip like this. This is a strip. So, we can't end both the sides. So, infinite strip on this is Z plane, Z plane. Yes. Given transformation is omega is equal to 1 by Z. I can bring Z here, I can send omega there. Okay. You know Z is equal to x plus Iy. And what about omega? In analytic function, omega is u plus iv. So, can keep x plus Iy is equal to 1 by u plus iv. Usually in complex numbers, conjugate multiplication and division are rationalized u minus iv, u minus iv, u minus iv. X plus Iy is equal to numerator u minus iv. Here u plus iv into u minus iv is nothing but u square minus I square v square. See, x plus Iy is equal to u minus iv divided by u square minus into minus plus v square, because you know I square equal to minus 1. I square is minus 1, so I get plus v square. Here x plus Iy is equal to u divided by u square plus v square is a real part. I of minus v divided by u square plus v square is imaginary part. Equating real and imaginary part will get x is equal to u divided by u square plus v square, y is equal to minus v divided by u square plus v square. Okay, let it be. These are standard results. So, under the transformation omega is equal to 1 by z, these two results are standard results. By heart these two results, not only for this problem. So, we are going to do so many problems by using these two results, real part and imaginary part. Now, for this problem, given condition is 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2. That is, the first condition is 1 by 4 less than y, and also y is less than 1 by 2. I can take this part first. 1 by 4 is less than y. 1 by 4 is less than, what is y here? Minus v by u square, or otherwise we can take like this, y is greater than 1 by 4 minus v divided by u square plus v square is greater than 1 by 4. I can do like this. 1 by 4 is less than y, y is greater than 1 by 4. Then I replaced y by this standard value. Then minus 4v is greater than u square plus v square. Then u square plus v square is less than minus 4v, interchanging the symbols, and u square plus v square plus 4v is less than 0, u square plus v square plus 2 into v into 2 plus 2 square less than 0 plus 2 square. I am adding 2 square on both the sides for getting a perfect square. So, listen, you can understand. V plus 2 whole square is less than 2 square. This is nothing but a circle of a radius to center at 0 comma minus 2. Because of the less than symbol, the circle is interior circle, inside the circle. I can draw the diagram later, you keep in mind. This one is a standard one, u square plus v plus 2 whole square less than 2 square is an interior circle. Yeah. Then one more result. Yes, y is less than 1 by 2 is given. Y is minus v divided by u square plus v square is less than 1 by 2. Y is minus v by u square plus v square. Minus 2v is less than u square plus v square, or u square plus v square is greater than minus 2v. U square plus v square plus 2v is greater than 0. Again, for completing square method, we will get u square plus v square plus 2 into v into 1 plus 1 square, 0 plus 1 square. So, u square plus v plus 1 whole square is greater than 1 square. 1 square means a circle, radius is 1, center at 0 comma minus 1. So, we will get 2 circles. Under this transformation omega is equal to 1 by z, we will get 2 values x and y. Here we did not use this x here, the condition is y alone. We will get for these 2 values of y, we will get 2 circles. I am going to draw that diagram for that 2 results. I can give this diagram, then only I can explain for the question conclusion. So, this is z plane. Now, omega plane. So, u axis, this is v axis, this is origin, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now, I am going to draw this circle, 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 is the center, radius is 2. So, radius is 2 means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, the circle will come like this. So, sorry, this assume this is a circle. This is actually a less than means interior to the circle, interior. So, later we can shade fully because one more circle is waiting for us. So, I can go for the another color. This is a center 0 comma minus 1, radius is 1. Radius is 1 means this side 1, down 1, up 1. So, the circle will come like this. So, this is exterior. Yes. So, both red and blue joined together means we will get this region. Yes. So, you can draw the diagram neatly in exam. So, for explanation purpose I used 3 colors here. Yes. Now, the conclusion is the infinite strip 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2, this diagram in z plane is transformed as two region in between 2 circles, small circle and exterior of the small circle, interior of the greater circle. Is a transformation of a strip into this type of diagram. That's all. This is called transformation under the analytic functions. Thank you.